Welcome back to another episode of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming how we understand one of the most devastating diseases of our time, Alzheimer's disease. What if I told you that Alzheimer's might not just be a neurodegenerative disorder, but also an autoimmune disease?
That's a fascinating idea, Emma, and one that's gaining traction in the scientific community. Traditionally, Alzheimer's has been linked to the accumulation of amyloid-beta plaques in the brain, but recent research suggests that the immune system might be playing a much bigger role.
Exactly. Instead of just seeing amyloid-beta as a neurotoxin, researchers are now considering it as an immunopeptide, something that can trigger an autoimmune response against our own brain cells. This shift in perspective could open up new pathways for treatment.
So, what does this mean for the progression of Alzheimer's? Well, it suggests that neuroinflammation and the broader immune mechanisms at play are crucial in the disease's development. Oligodendrocytes, which were once overlooked, are now recognized as significant contributors to amyloid-beta plaque formation, blurring the lines between neurodegeneration and immune dysfunction.
Oligodendrocytes are fascinating because, in addition to neurons, they're now seen as key players in amyloid-beta production. A recent study using a humanized knock-in Alzheimer's model found that these cells are heavily involved in plaque formation. This challenges the old belief that neurons are the only culprits and highlights the need to consider the contributions of other cell types in the brain.
And this isn't just about oligodendrocytes. The research also points to the role of neuroinflammation, particularly as we age. Our immune system undergoes significant changes, leading to a state known as inflammaging, which is characterized by chronic low-grade inflammation and immune dysfunction. This can exacerbate the neurodegenerative processes in Alzheimer's, making the disease as much an autoimmune condition as a neurodegenerative one.
That's where the concept of immunosenescence comes into play. As our immune system ages, it can turn from a protector to a contributor to neurodegeneration. Microglia, the brain's resident immune cells, can shift from a protective role to one that actually accelerates the disease by intensifying the autoimmune response against neuronal cells.
So, what does all this mean for treatment? If Alzheimer's is indeed an autoimmune disorder, then targeting the immune system could be key. This could involve strategies that enhance the normal immune response while reducing harmful inflammation, effectively protecting neurons from further damage.
That's right. Immunomodulatory therapies could address both the accumulation of amyloid beta and the inflammatory damage associated with autoimmune responses. This approach offers a dual benefit and represents a new frontier in Alzheimer's treatment.
And speaking of new approaches, let's talk about some herbal remedies from the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies that might support brain health and modulate the immune system in Alzheimer's.
We've got some powerful herbs to discuss. First up is curcumin, found in turmeric. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's been shown to reduce amyloid plaques and inhibit microglial activation, potentially reducing neuroinflammation.
Then there's ginkgo biloba, which is well known for its neuroprotective effects and ability to improve cerebral blood flow. It's also a strong antioxidant, which can protect against the oxidative stress associated with Alzheimer's.
Lion's mane mushroom is another great option. It supports nerve growth factor synthesis, crucial for neuronal health, and has immunomodulating properties that might address the autoimmune aspects of Alzheimer's.
Ashwagandha is also worth mentioning. It supports the body's stress response, has neuroprotective effects, and may mitigate neuroinflammation. Plus, it's been researched for its potential to enhance cognition, which is vital in Alzheimer's.
Green tea extract, rich in EGCG, has neuroprotective properties and may help reduce amyloid beta aggregation. It also supports immune health and has antioxidant effects.
And we can't forget omega-3 fatty acids from algae oil, which are critical for brain health. They support anti-inflammatory responses and have been linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases.
Lastly, resveratrol, known for its neuroprotective actions and ability to modulate immune function, offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that could be beneficial in Alzheimer's.
This herbal formula is designed to complement conventional treatments and support overall brain health. It's a comprehensive approach that not only targets symptoms, but also addresses the underlying autoimmune and inflammatory mechanisms.
But as always, it's important to consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new treatment, especially when dealing with complex health conditions like Alzheimer's.
Absolutely. This formula is about enhancing quality of life and potentially slowing disease progression by taking a holistic approach to treatment.
In conclusion, viewing Alzheimer's through the lens of autoimmunity challenges long-held beliefs and opens up new possibilities for treatment. By understanding the roles of amyloid-beta, oligodendrocytes, neuroinflammation, and immunosenescence, we can develop more comprehensive strategies to combat this disease.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Alzheimer's disease. We hope this episode has provided valuable insights and sparked new ideas for managing this complex condition.
Don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time for more episodes where we explore the latest in herbal remedies and cutting-edge research. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.
See you next time.